Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited because I have a game to play with you. So let me show you how it works, all right? It's called Eliminate It, all right? So we have to find, if you've ever played the game Among Us, some of you maybe you haven't, but it's a game where there's like an imposter, and you have to figure out who the imposter is. That means it's somebody who doesn't belong. So in math, we have to figure out which number doesn't belong. All right, so let's take a look at what I mean. So here's an example. So I have the number 3, okay? Here I have 3 counters. Now we're going to be talking a lot this week about numbers and how you can decompose or break them apart. Right, so 3 here, you can see it can be 1 and 2 more, right? So it's 1 and 2. 1 and 2 makes 3. Look, 1 and 2 makes, magic trick, 3. Ta-da! All right, so that's 3. If we come over here, we have, how long is this tower? Or if you stand it up, it's like a tower. How many connecting cubes do we have? Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Because 2 and 2, right? 2 and 2 makes 4. Okay? So we have 3, 3, and 4. I wonder if 4 is the imposter, because the number that's different from everybody else is the one that has to be eliminated. All right? We have to kick them out. Okay. So let's look up here. Now, when we look at the rekenrek, all right, we're only going to be looking at, here, I'll cover this side with my phone. We're only going to be looking at the counters on the left, okay, not these ones over here, all right? So if you look, how many counters are on the left, are over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3. So again, we have 2 and 1 makes 3, okay? So we have 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and there's a 4 here. I'm going to take them out, and you, Mr. 4, have been eliminated. All right, you are the imposter. So now we only have 3s. All right, do you get the idea of how to play it? All right, let's play. Let's try another round, shall we? I'll put out some more objects and see how we do. All right, so I put out some new numbers. Okay, so let's take a look and see which one does not belong. All right, let's take a look. So here you go. So the 3 is still there. All right, so take a look at the other ones. Remember, we're only looking at these counters. Okay, so I'll cover that up again for you. Okay, so the question is, what should we eliminate? Should we eliminate the 3, the rekenrek, the counters, or the cubes? All right, so take a look and see what you think. Which one does not belong? They're all the same except for one of them. Okay, all right, so let's take a vote. Who votes for the 3? Raise your hand to get rid of the 3. All right, raise your hand to get rid of the rekenrek. All right, the counters, the cubes. All right, let's take a look. We have, I'll just leave that there. We have 3 here. We have, hey, where are you going? Sure. Stay there. Here, we'll go like that. Okay, we have 3 here. We have, look up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Because look, we have 2 and 2, again, makes 4. Okay, so that makes 4. Now here we also have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this time we have a 1 and a 3. So let's see, does 1 and 3 make 4? If I put them together, whoop, it sure does. It makes 4. And how many counters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1 and 3 makes 4, or 3 and 1 makes 4. I could have done it like this. I could have put the 3 over here and the 1 yellow one over here. So 3 and 1. All right, so if you voted for the 3 to be the imposter and be eliminated, you are correct. All right, number 3, this time you are the imposter. Bag number 3. All right, so good job, boys and girls. All right, let's try one more. Kind of fun, right? Yeah, it's kind of fun. All right, let's do one more. All right, so I've got a new numbers out here, so take a look and see which one do you think should be eliminated. Which one does not belong? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Drum roll, please. And go. What do you think? Take a look. Let's cover these up. I'm not talking about those, just these over here, okay? All right, any thoughts yet? Which one? Is it the number 4? Is it the counters, the cubes, or the rekenrek that we should get rid of? Who is the imposter, boys and girls? That is the question. So let's take a vote. Who says the number 4 should go? Raise your hand. Yeah, raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hand if you think the rekenrek should go. Raise your hand if you think the counter should go. Okay, raise your hand if you think the cube should go. All right, let's find out. We have 4 here, right? The number 4. Do we have 4 counters? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do. We have 3 up top and 1 on the bottom. That makes 4. Okay? Down here, we have a 3 and a 2. Huh, if I put that together, it makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm suspicious of the counters right now. Are you? I am. All right. Now let's look at the cubes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 orange and 3 green make 4 cubes. Okay? So, looks like the counters are the imposter. Let's get rid of those and eliminate them. Ta-cha! All right. Pretty fun, right? All right. We'll do one more. Okay? Kind of quick, kind of fun, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, and then you've got your eye ready today. Yeah, okay. All right. See you in a second. All right, boys and girls, are you ready for the next one? This will be our last one that we do today, and then we'll play again on, let's see, probably like on Wednesday. Okay? All right, here we go. Drum roll, please. All right, check it out. What do you think? One of them is the imposter. Who is it? Is it the number 5, or the rekenrek, or the counters, or the cubes? Somebody doesn't belong amongst the other ones, does it? All right, should we vote? What do you think? Who's thinking maybe 5 should be taken out? Because it's different from the others. Okay, who thinks the rekenrek maybe should be taken out? Remember, we're not talking about these over here, just these ones, okay? How about the counters? Anybody for that? All right, and how about the cubes? Anybody for getting rid of the cubes? All right, let's take a look and see which one's different, okay? So here we have 5, right? We know that. Here, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 up top. And 2 in the bottom. 4 and 2 makes 6. 4, 5, 6. So one of these must be the imposter, right? There's a 5 here and a 6 here. Let's find out, shall we? All right, so down here we have 1, 2, 3 yellows and 2 reds. So if we put those together, 3 and 2 makes 5, right? 3 and, sorry, 3, if you see my fingers down here in the video, 3 and 2 make 5. Okay, so that's one way that you can break apart the number 5, right? You can separate them into 3, so like 3 fingers here and 2 fingers over here, or 3 over here and 2 over here. Okay, so that's also 5. So I think the rekenrek is the imposter. Let's find out with the last cube here, the cubes. So how many cubes do we have? Who voted for that one? Anybody? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this time we have 1 orange and 4 green. So another way to break up 5 is into 1 and 4, because 1 and 4 also makes 5, right? So look, if I have 4 fingers up, if I bring in 1 more, if I add 1 more, boop, I've got 5, okay? So this means that the imposter must be the rekenrek. All right, rekenrek, you have been eliminated. You were the imposter. All right, boys and girls, I hope you had even a fraction, math joke, as much fun as I did. If you did, then you had a lot of fun. I will see you very soon. All right, be good, be kind, be safe, and bye-bye.